Tired of complex network setups and costly hardware for testing? We have the solution. With Stordis Virtual Labs, you can deploy and test IP Infusion's OcNOS, a carrier-grade networking OS, without any physical hardware. Simply sign up, download, and start configuring your network in minutes. With OcNOS Virtual Lab, you can simulate MPLS networks and deploy segment routing for optimized traffic engineering, validate multi-tier routing architectures with seamless interoperability between BGP and OSPF, configure secure Layer 2 and Layer 3 VPNs for multi-tenant network isolation, test carrier Ethernet configurations and integrate with SDN automation tools, simulate real-world ISP scenarios with full control over routing, failover, and automation. Do you require more knowledge and support? Access our expert guides and a full knowledge base anytime. Deploy, test, and optimize OcNOS networks virtually. Visit Stordis.com and start testing OcNOS Virtual Lab today.